Scenes in Unity are like rooms. Each scene normally has a different look or a purpose. So here we've just got one scene at the moment, a game scene. So let's set up a main menu that loads into this. I'll create a main menu in the scenes folder and call it menu. Then open this up. I make this really basic, just containing a background, a logo, a button, and a script that reacts to that button. So when our play button is clicked, this function is going to get fired. What we're going to do is import the Unity engine scene management namespace. Then we can call the function scenemanager.load and pass in the name of our main game scene. And the final step to get this working is just to open up your build settings, file, build settings, make sure you add this scene and add your main scene to the build settings by clicking the Add Open Scenes button. This tells Unity which scenes to include in the build and gives our script somewhere to look when it's trying to load that scene. So if we hit play into our main menu, and then when we click the play button in the main menu, it loads up our main game. Using scenes in the scene manager, Unity allows you to create any number of setups for levels, UI, or anything else, and jump between them easily without having to worry about how you're going to handle that transition. Check out the description for a link to the GitHub repo for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.